Okay, we haven't done a ck12 assignment yet, so I'm gonna show you how to complete one. So here I have my practice course, but I'm viewing it as a student. So here's an example of what the lesson looks like. When you open a ck12 lesson, you are gonna see this. Okay, now the lesson topic was chosen specifically, so do the one that was assigned. So here's the lesson, here's the review, okay? This moves among lessons, but this is the lesson that was assigned. So I'm gonna scroll down, you're gonna read the information in the lesson, okay? So you're gonna scroll all the way down, read all of the information. There are questions along the way to help you. Okay, there is a video to watch, so you're going to watch this video in the lesson, okay? It's short. See, this one is just 3 minutes, okay? It is going to be important for you to watch the video, so I'm just going to pause this for a minute while the video plays. Okay, there we go. Finished watching the video. You can see I am at the end. Here's the summary. Here's some review questions to practice with. Okay, if I click this, turn in, it's like, oops, you didn't finish the assignment. Okay, so let me scroll back up to the top. I have lesson, then I have review. Okay, so I have some vocabulary, so I can hover over these and can see the vocabulary. I can read more if I want. And then I'm going to choose an answer. So I'm just going to choose random answers here. You can click check it. Okay. You can click flex card. That's going to give you information which would help you answer the question. Then if I click turn in, it says I have not completed the assignment yet. Okay, so you can click check it. Okay, in that case, now you know for this one, those ones are wrong. You can click try again to try again, but right down here, you're going to click start practice. And it says you need to get 9 questions. You need about 4 minutes to complete it. So start practicing. Okay, and you're going to start practicing. Okay, so you're going to try and answer these questions. So I'm going to pause it as I go through this because it's not real practice if you just see all my answers. So let me pause it. Okay, so I finished the practice intentionally not getting 100. Okay, you see my goal. All right, and now I'm going to try to turn in. And I am able to turn it in. Okay, so that means I have to go through the reading, I have to like check the review, and I have to do the practice. That's the only way to complete the assignment. Okay, so I can close this to see it. And this is turned in. So now I'm going to check from the teacher end so you can just see that it did in fact turn in. Okay, so you can see right here, this was the assignment I did, the ck12 atom lesson. You can see I got a 17.8. That's because I got a question wrong intentionally on the practice. And you can see that it is recorded right here as my percentage, well, the number of points out of 20. So if I wanted to improve that grade, okay, I'll slide that one out of the way, I could go back here, okay, here I could check some information if I wasn't sure about something, but I could go back down to where practice is and continue practice, and I could restart it and try again if I wanted a better grade. Okay, so that's it. That's how you complete a ck12 assignment.